whoa. Take a step back. Hey, y'all, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dior, back with another video. And I'm on here because, y'all, I just washed my hair today. It's been almost 3 weeks since I have washed my hair. So, I had to wash my hair. I got in the shower, brush my teeth, wash my hair, do the hair mask, whatever the case may be. And I'm back with another video. And I'll be having some more videos today. I'll be filming some more videos today as well after this one. So I am coming on here with an update, you guys, and we're gonna talk to Dior today, and then we're just gonna have a talk, y'all. Y'all see my little blanket? This is my favorite blanket. I got another blanket. I got like 3 blankets on my bed right now. But I remember in the video I was pointing at my wall. You see it right there? The wall about the sticky notes, and I was telling you guys that there would be more added up there, and I would explain that to you. So this is going to be like an update. So one thing, the wall and the sticky notes, that is daily goals, things that I need to get done, and just to help me plan out and budget right, and yada yada yada. So yeah, and I think everybody should do something like that, whether it's on their wall, whether it's on their phones, yada yada yada, whatever the case may be. Y'all, I blowed out my hair a little bit, not too much, and my hair is like literally low-key dry right now because I washed it, didn't moisturize it or nothing. I didn't even oil my scalp yet, which is I usually do. I just blowed it out. Y'all, and I'm gonna recolor my hair. The color already came all the way out, y'all. Like my hair was purple. It already came out and it's all the way to the tip, like and it wasn't like that last year. And the reason why I'm rewashing my hair and using different things is because I been doing some research about growing your hair longer, which my hair, like, y'all, my hair was this long when I got my hair colored in purple. So if it's not longer than this, then that means something is up. I'm not doing something right. If it's the same length, I gotta try something different. So that's why I've been trying something different. And I need to see progress. Mind you, because I was taking some freaking gummy that I bought. It's vitamin gummies. It was for your hair, your nails, and your skin. It was definitely working for my nails. I don't know about my skin, and it was definitely working for my hair because my hair got thicker and it don't want to function right. Like my curls, I don't know what happened to them, but anyways, I'm on here looking like this. Alright, but today's video is just about an update. I have some content coming, including like for upcoming school, for like I have a Shein haul that I really need to do, but I don't really want to do it because there's not that much stuff. I need to order me some more Shein stuff. I have story times coming for you guys. Yes, story times. We love a story time. We get messy and get all the little tea. The how you do it? Yeah, the tea. So it's gonna be a lot of tea, a lot of drama, y'all. I don't like drama. One thing about me is I do not like drama. But if you come at me sideways, best believe I'm gonna have the last say. Don't do that. But anyways, I have story times coming for you guys, and I have a lot of how to do content. I know it has been a while since I did a mukbang. I really want to do a mukbang for you guys. It's just the simple fact that I haven't had my hair done in a minute, so I don't like to get dressed up if my hair isn't done. Like whether if it's in a bun or not, I really, really, really don't like to go out without my hair done. Like growing up, I used to throw a big fit if my hair wasn't done, if it wasn't finished, if my mama would start it and not finish it, I would throw a fit. If my mama would say she would do my hair and didn't do it, like I would throw a fit. Y'all, I am that type. Like I like my hair done. It's something. It's just if you was a black girl, you understand. And I don't know about other people, but it's a thing where like we like our hair done. We always change our hair up, and it's been a while since I got my hair done and changed it up. Since I had the braids, since I took it out, I would usually jump right into this. But I've been doing so much, including school and trying to get so much stuff done and paid for, that I just haven't had the time to actually sit down and pick an appointment. Yo, I have been looking for a hairstylist and for natural hair because I just want to do my natural hair right now. As far as getting it colored, and I've been looking at the same people who have done my hair before, but I've just seen my options. Cause yeah, and I think I got an option. It's just the simple fact that school is right there, and I want to make sure everything is paid for school before school starts. Make sure I have my new clothes, my new shoes. Make sure I have my hair appointment for school, because if I get my hair done now, then I'm gonna have to turn around and get my hair done for school as well, which is more money. So I'm like, should I wait for school? See, I don't go to school until the 23rd. That's like 3 weeks from now. So if I get it done now, then 2 weeks from now, I would have to get my hair done, plus my nails. So, yeah, you can't be going to school looking rusty dusty, because we're not doing that. Like, we gotta. Yeah, so that's what has been going on, plus the the update and the more content is coming, and the before school content definitely coming, school content definitely coming, a lot of collabs. I hope you guys are ready for that. And my school is definitely funny, staff, students, all that, so you guys will enjoy the video. So I hope you guys tune in, because I'm tuned in. I'm ready and excited. I'm kind of like stuck at like a barrier, because I have ideas and content to create and upload every week, but it's for school, and I don't want to upload content about school like way too early. Like, I want to wait till 2 weeks before school kind of thing, because summer's over and I don't really do anything now. Summer's basically over and I don't really do anything anymore. Like, if I'm doing something, I'm with my mama and we go out, or I'm with my little sister and we go out. I haven't really been out with any friends since June 1st, when my cousin graduated and had her little graduation party. And yeah, but other than that, like, I just been working, sleeping, content, yeah, just doing that. And I have been brainstorming some ideas. I have some other things coming for you guys I'm not gonna speak on, because you know, content, yeah, you just can't speak on too much, because if you speak a lot about your success or things that you're coming, everybody is not praying for you to be successful. Some people is praying for a downfall, and the reason why some people don't get what they want to get is because they talk too much. So I'm not gonna say what I was coming. Only person who knows is my mom and my cousin, my sister, and one other friend. And I think I didn't tell her, but I think she kind of put it together, because I was asking about vendors and stuff like that, and she knew we had a conversation during school year when me and her was going to do something together. But none said the less. Yeah, I have some other stuff coming as well for you guys, and I hope that I get it like this ASAP, because I am excited and I like doing. I like having business ideas and trying to move on it. But yeah, and I also wanted to talk to you guys, because while I was in the shower and washing my hair, you guys, I was thinking. I was listening to this song called Cycles by this guy named Jonathan. I don't know how to say his last name, but it starts with an M. And it's a gospel song. So if you're a gospel, if you're a Christian, then you probably know what I'm talking about. But in the song, it talks about cycles and how um people who pray against you and stuff like that, like, they learn from your, like, basically the devil will learn from your mistakes, even if you don't, which is so true. There's people who is watching you and they see your downfall, and if you have a downfall and you don't learn from your mistakes, trust me, believe there's other people who have learned from your mistakes and they use it. There's some what you call mastermind manipulators. Some people use that mistake that you made and use your what they learn from it to keep you in cycles. Y'all, kid you not, I want to talk to you about this, because this is part of breaking generational curses, is realizing your cycles and breaking it. I had a cycle, which I talked about with relationships, getting in relationships and stuff like that, idolizing relationships and stuff like that. it was important for me because I crave family, I crave love, I crave all of that. Why? I just think it's a beautiful thing. Like, love is a beautiful thing, but when it was the right person and, stuff like that. But the thing is, my cycle was, I had realized that that was the problem. And that's why I was getting hindered from a lot of things that I wanted to do. So I had decided, I'm going to take a break. Ow, this is like the third time I had decided that I'm going to take a break from it, but this time I really mean it, because a lot of people be trying to hit me up and be trying to get with me, and they be like, I don't know. I no, it's too much. It's a distraction, yada yada yada. And there was this one guy who was bringing me back into my cycle. Everything off about this guy, because he threw my spiritual divine self and convene, like my spiritual connected self, off. He threw me off with like my balance of my routine, which was like making YouTube content and stuff like that, focusing on myself. Like, everything was thrown off. And then it was like his brain for a mindset for talking for business was there, but everything else wasn't. And it was a test. I was being tested with, y'all, that I know I passed because I didn't give this guy a chance, and I officially blocked the guy, because, like, you're not about to manipulate me into doing something I don't want to do. And yeah, but that's a story time that I'm gonna give you guys. But you realize, once you recognize your cycles, and then something like your cycles have been thrown in your face to get you back into that cycle and back off track, you realize it. And when you realize it, it makes you feel so good, y'all. Like, it makes you feel good, and you're able to get back on track just like that, with everything that you've been doing. Like, with your, like, you gotta pay attention to the things that you said that you do break. Like, if you can break a cycle and not even knowing it, and then you get back into that cycle because you're not conscious of the things that you were constantly doing. And that was a cycle that was broken, like me craving for relationships and stuff like that. That was a cycle of one of the reasons why I was having so much problems and why I couldn't get so much things done, because I was so focused on wanting to cater to somebody else other than myself or my family. Was a cycle that was hindering me. And when I realized that, I was sent a test. A test was sent to me, and I recognized it. And when I recognized it and was able to point it out, it's a feeling that I wish I could explain to you guys, because it's a great feeling. It's a great and a bad feeling. But yo, it just makes you more aware and conscious of the things that you are changing and how you're growing. So I just want to encourage you guys to make sure that you're paying attention to what you're doing or you're allowing in your life, and just continue to break your cycles, the generational curse and stuff like that, yo. Like, it's a necessary. It's the first step. It's the first step of healing. But if it's not for healing, then it's the first step of education, because without education, is you won't be able to go far. Yeah, like, education is the one thing that cannot be taken from you. So you have to take advantage of that. Whether it's, whatever the case would be. And if you got things like generational curses, hindering you from seeing things in different point of view, or learning other things because of these cycles, y'all. Yeah. I just said so many things in so many different ways and all over the place, I know, because I literally got on this camera and just jumped in it and said, hey, yeah, this is what we doing. This is what I'm talking about. But yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about that. Like, you should break cycles. And it's important. And if you, and some of y'all may watch this video and be like, what are you talking about? Because I used to have a podcast on Facebook under my Lara Quinn. Some people say Lara, some people say Lara, whatever y'all want to say, however y'all want to pronounce it. At this point, is literally a name I made based off of one of my personalities that I gained from a lot of things. On that account, I had a podcast, amazing podcast. If I knew how to save those videos off of Facebook and upload it on here, I would, because it's amazing message behind it. And that's where the breaking generational curses and cycles came from originally, because I was on there talking about my healing process and things that have hinder you, or how to get through the healing process and how to start to it and stuff like that. Now I could definitely just do other videos similar to that and throw it on here, but we're not gonna do that because I already talked about it. If I can figure out how to save it from Facebook and upload it on here, then I will, and I'll put it up there for you guys. Yeah. Oh, this is still kind of like a shrinkage, y'all. To me. Anyways, yeah. So I just want, this is this a let's talk video type thing. And I just wanted to tell you guys that so I am going to end this video right here and prep for my other video that I'm going to film right after this. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys liked the video and kind of took something from this, because I was kind of all over the place, y'all, and me personally, I kind of don't care. But if I do other videos like this, it will definitely be organized. I just had to get on here, because if I didn't get on here and just talk, y'all, this video was not going to be made, and no other videos was going to be made. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and please share the channel. If anything, even if you're not really watching the whole video, just share it, and help me get more subscribers. I'm trying to get at least to 100 before August 23rd. Really wish I can get to 100 before the 1st, which is in 2 days. That's my little brother's birthday. That is the goal before school start. I have many more goals for my subscribers after I hit 100, but I need to hit 100 before August 23rd. If before then, please help share. If I make any posts and you see it, please share. It's very important to me. Yeah. Okay. Hi, see you later.